Hello viewers, welcome back to Ainish Kitchen. If you want a meal for one, cup of pasta is the perfect quick recipe. It is a great option for kids and students or someone who is looking for a fuss-free dinner. Let's make this cup of pasta. Make this microwave mac and cheese in just 5 minutes only. So yum. Before we start the recipe, let me remind you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on like and subscribe button so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. Just simply pick a big enough microwave friendly mug for making this pasta. I have taken 1 cup pasta, 1.5 cup water, 2 crushed garlic, salt for taste, and 1 tablespoon olive oil, and give a good mix. Now this goes into the microwave for 3 minutes. Kappa pasta is one of my favorite one-pot recipes. You don't have to bother about boiling pasta or preparing the sauce. All you have to do is dump it in a mug and hit the microwave button. The pasta is now half done. Into this, add in 1 teaspoon chili flakes, oregano or thyme, 2 teaspoons Szechuan sauce. You may add ketchup or pasta sauce, 1 cup cream, now add in your favorite veggies. I have used cherry tomatoes, capsicums. You may add in carrot, beans, peas as per your wish. Mix them and top it with some more grated cheese of your choice, some more veggies, chilies, herbs. Mix them well and microwave for another 2 minutes. There is something very comforting about a cup of cheesy pasta. A perfect cup of pasta is enough to make any pasta lover happy and satisfy their food cravings. Yeah, it tastes delicious and so much better than the packed Instapacket pasta with preservatives. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this recipe. Stay connected until I come up with another interesting recipe. Happy cooking!